Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy Johari Easy Guide. Start by mapping major systems on a blank diagram and label key landmarks immediately. Prioritize core regions, then add layers like nerves and vessels. Use atlases and short dissection clips to link images to physical structure. Quiz yourself with flashcards and spaced review daily to move information into long-term memory and avoid last-minute cramming. Begin with small, focused sessions and active tasks to build durable knowledge. Draw quick diagrams and narrate out loud to engage visual and audio memory at once. Practice labeling unlabeled images and explain function with each structure to strengthen connections. Use spaced repetition software for scheduling reviews and mix topics to prevent forgetting. Teach short summaries to a study partner to reveal gaps and solidify recall consistently daily. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh car when long study sessions make your commute smell like cafeteria coffee. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time and money. Small comforts can boost motivation between sessions, and they make long drives nicer. Now let's get back to the video. Create a personal Johari map linking what you know and what you need to learn to focus study efficiently. Color code regions, draw sketches, and narrate functions allowed to use multiple memory pathways. Make two-sided flashcards with structure one side and function, innervation, and clinical notes on the other. Schedule expanding interval reviews and use practice questions and lab time to test recall under realistic conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.